Welcome to Lubera, with fruit and berry plant producers and breeders. My name is Markus Kobelt behind the camera, and before the camera is Simon Crawford, breeder of Burpee Europe and Burpee US. And why the hell these sunflowers are so deep? My back is hurting me.
Marcus, this is our new compact sunflower for growing in patio containers or in pots. There are pot sunflowers sold all over Europe, and the current variety that is grown needs a lot of chemical plant growth regulator to keep it compact. This needs no plant growth regulator, and the
next question would be, is it sort of GMO plant?
No, absolutely not. All conventional breeding. It's all completely natural, no kind of intervention of that type at all.
At what time of the year you have to bring the seeds into the ground, into pots?
Well, you can sow into the ground directly, or you can sow into pots. I would say normally May, April or May, to plant out in May to June. These were sown 2 months ago, exactly. It's about 60 to 65 days from sowing to flowering.
Yeah. And how long do they flower?
6 to 8 weeks. If they're planted green, 6 to 8 weeks. You can take the crown flower out and the axillaries come up. You can see them here.
Okay. Yeah.
And then from beneath as well, the plant branches out and grows.
And they are becoming higher afterwards? Or?
If they're planted green, they'll grow to about this height.
Okay.
And make a lovely container pot for someone who doesn't have a garden. They want some sunflowers
What
to...
is the name of this bird?
Sunray.
Okay, the story is before I understood sun rain. And
No, that was wrong. That's wrong, Marcus. That's wrong. That's sunray, like a ray from the sky.
Okay, not the rain.
No.
Yeah. Okay, thank you very much. It's a stunning variety. I think very interesting for container gardening, perhaps also as a ground cover somewhere in the garden. And we are looking forward to have the seeds in our Lubera store. Thank you very much, Simon Crawford.
Thank you.
Where have all the flowers gone? I know where. Here you go to Lubera.co UK with all our breedings and thousands of more plants. Here you can subscribe to our YouTube channel, and now pick the flowers.